Alright, gonna do a trade recap. It is Thursday, May 15th, 2025. I took the market short, scaled out a tiny bit of that position. We retested my entry area. I added a little bit back on, and then got out most of my position here on this dump. And then I had one runner stop out just below break even or above if you're thinking about making versus losing money. But going into the setup, my key level today was 5,900. Um, you can see the market's been in a recent uptrend, but it's kind of acting balanced. It's not in a pure technical balance yet. Um, what I mean by that is there's not. Okay, so it would be in a pure technical balance if we came up here and rejected, and it was until we broke this level. This was balance. Now we're kind of deciding what to do. Are we going to balance now between this level? Are we going to come up here and make a balance between this? Um, but regardless, 5,900 was my key level. I was mainly watching for a reclaim of this level to test that upper balance high that I was talking about. But I'm also willing to look for rejections here if I get the proper confirmation, and that's exactly what happened. So looking at the book map, we get a strong rally at open, break through some of this passive orders, and then right here at our key level of resistance, you can see this buying starts to really dry up a little bit and slow down, and we get some aggressive selling coming into the market. And that was good enough for me to get my entry um, here at the 94.75 level right here. Retested really quick. My stop held. I was holding a stop at the 99s right here, so we got pretty close. And then sold off a bit. And I went ahead and cut one right here because there was a potential red flag developing on this action here. Um, when price kind of started bouncing from this bid, that could also be seen as possibly some structured demand here with this consolidation followed by rally. So I just wanted to cut my risk a little bit there. Then we retested, and on that retest, I saw the aggressive buying again slow down as we got into this level. This time you can see some offers here defending. Selling came in off of that. This is where I added again, and then we got that dump right after. And this is where I get out most of my position. Some of it's limit orders, some of it's market orders. Um, and then, yeah, I got stopped out on my trailing up here. But pretty nice short to start the day. I was looking, my original target was the 88s through the 85s, which is that kind of structured demand I just mentioned, because it was a likely place we could bounce. As you can see, we are bouncing there now. And then my ultimate target was just the 80s, which we never hit, but still got a solid little dub on that. Yeah, that's all.